Feeling for a frozen treat with chocolate? Well, join me in the kitchen. Welcome back, guys, and yes, you heard me right. Today we're making chocolate sherbet. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we're gonna need 2/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 to half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and finally 4 cups of frozen ripe banana slices. To the frozen bananas, we're going to add the sweetened condensed milk, the salt, vanilla, and finally our unsweetened cocoa powder. Cover the blender and blend the mixture until it is completely smooth. Yes, so this is the texture that we're looking for. Go ahead and pour the mixture into a freezer safe container. Now I'm using a baking pan, but you can use whatever freezer safe container that you have at home. Cover the mixture well and place into the freezer for 4 hours or overnight until completely set. The moment that we have been waiting for. Go ahead and serve your sherbet. Yes, guys, that's me fighting with my dessert. Now, if you don't want to fight as much as I'm fighting right now, you can go ahead and leave it out on the counter for 5 minutes before serving. Oh yes. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. You gotta give this a try. Oh my, yes. A moment of silence, please. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy this video, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes.